Hey guys, welcome to the season finale of season 1 of The Den. Thank you very much for watching these videos. I hope you guys got a lot of good bits of information. I hope you guys are motivated to go practice and get better. In season 2, we're going into the power moves and tricks. That's right. I've had people tell me, oh Volk, we want to see flares and 90s and stuff like that. And yes, I want to teach it to you guys, but I have to remember that when I release videos, I get people who actually have never seen breaking before either, and I think if I want my channel to be about teaching, I have to start with the basics and the foundation, and that's why we're starting here. But don't worry, if my plans are correct, I should have season 1 and 2 finished by the time I'm getting these uploads up. So you don't have to wait long for season 2. Season 3 is when the difficulty level goes up, so I think the time between those videos are going to be a little bit longer. Mainly because I really want to focus down on getting the moves of season 3 before I actually start teaching them. Like for example, in season 3 I talk about elbow spins, and even though I know how to do them, me personally, I haven't hit more than like 2. And I feel like if I want to teach them, I have to hit at least like 5. You know, so I can hit 5 90s, I can hit 5 2000s, I can hit 5 air flares, I can hit 5 flares, so I think I'm more than capable of teaching that. But some of the more advanced stuff, just gotta be a little bit patient for that. I'll repeat this at the end of season 2, don't worry. But as a wrap up for season 1, just remember guys, whenever you dance, you're telling like a little bit about yourself. So, you know, don't be afraid to be goofy and weird, you know, because everyone is a little bit goofy and weird, and you have to be confident in what you put out there, you know, because like you can do a move that's like this, right, and like it doesn't look cool, but if I do a move like this and I like follow it around and like I put like confidence behind it, then it looks good because I'm telling you it looks good, okay? And that kind of mentality is what you want when you're dancing. Not even when you're dancing, when you're doing anything. You should always have this like, hey, this idea is dope because I'm telling you it's dope. Can't be like, this idea is dope because I think it is. Doesn't work like that, okay? So whenever you're dancing and creating ideas, just think about that, you know? Think about patterns. Why do we like music and art and dancing? It's because it has patterns that we can recognize, right? So the same thing applies to dancing. When you're doing something like this, if you just do this, it looks weird. But if you do this, yeah, it still looks weird, but it's a little bit more recognizable because it's a pattern. And more importantly, the judges know what you're doing, you know? Like, yeah, so I recommend that. So be confident in your creative ideas. Think about patterns. Think about cool pattern stuff that you would want to see. And most importantly, I think have fun. You know, have fun with it. And have fun when you dance. You can be very aggressive or happy or angry when you're dancing, like your persona, right? When you're dancing, like when I dance, I like to be more comedic. You know, because I feel like humor disarms the opponent. That's my mental strategy, you know, but I'll talk more about battle tactics in season 2 and 3. I hope you guys got your feet wet for breaking. I hope you guys got a little bit more of a hunger for it. I'll see you in season 2. I haven't even talked about sets yet. So a set is a collection of dance moves, okay, that you put together. So it could be like a top rock, footwork, and a freeze. That could be a set. I hope you guys keep growing, keep climbing, keep flying. I'll see you in season 2.